Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can spawn a house and how you can pick and choose what kind of house you want it to be on Brookhaven. So I'm just going to I'll just use a motorbike, and I'm not in the front, why is it not moving? There we go. You're just going to want to find a lot in Brookhaven. So you're just going to find it. I'm just going to select this one here. Select the vacant option, and here you're just going to select the house that you want. I'm just gonna choose this one. Press the like button. You get to spawn a new house every I don't know how many minutes, but I spawned a lot of houses in Brookhaven just to see what they are. This one's pretty cute, honestly. There's spy houses. There's one there's a rocket launcher. There's a boat one. I think this is a barn style. I'm not quite sure, but it's pretty cute and cozy. And yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.